Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make a grid in Photoshop. So, first thing that you will do guys, in order for you to add a grid, just simply go ahead and go to view over here. And now here on the view guys, just simply go to guides. And over here on the guides, you will have here a new guide layout over here. And from here, as you can see, you will have this tab. So from here, you can change the number of the grid that you like. If we want to go for 4 by 4, we can do that. And if you want to do rows only, you can just toggle this off. And as you can see, you'll be able to turn the grid off, and you can change the color over here as well. And from here, you can also go for margin. So guys, from here, it will be depending on you. Pretty much over here, you will have a freedom to customize your grid. And from there, just provide the information or the numbers that you prefer. And from there, you'll be able to add grid into your Photoshop. And once you are done, you can just click on OK. And from there, you'll be able to add grid. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!